So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to manage your privacy status on WhatsApp. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the WhatsApp app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And this is the inbox of your WhatsApp. Now you should have to tap on three dot which is available on the top right corner of your screen. So tap on it. Then tap on settings. Now scroll down and tap on privacy. Then tap on status. Here you can choose the audience like my contacts or my contacts accept or only share with or your custom creation. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.